When talking about welding, cobots and robots are a big topic. But from my personal point of view, manual welding is important and will stay forever. Because humans are so flexible, they can adapt very easily to various situations. But the welders need to have the best manual equipment, which is flexible, versatile and supports the welder as good as possible to perform his job best out there in the field. It is important to have a future-proof system, to have a multi-process system, to have MIG-MAG, TIG welding and MMA welding in one machine, that he can update his machine with the latest synergic lines or functions per software, or also update the machine with the hardware. Everybody is used in his car to assistance systems. We have those technologies in our equipment as well. We have assistance systems for MIG-MAG welding. We have assistance systems for TIG welding to make welding faster, easier, to support the welder at the end of the day to perform his job perfectly. Welders are typically welding in an environment where we have welding fumes, heat and light. To protect the welder, they should wear modern auto-darkening welding helmets, fresh air systems and modern clothes to protect of this. If welders are doing this, they will stay healthy and safe also in the future. And if this all is a good and perfect system, we have satisfied welders who can do a brilliant job out there.